and welcome back to Eat with Clive. Dun, 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 dun. Right, today we are making pizza. Oh, and if you don't remember me, I'm Clive, and this channel is all about eating healthy, cooking, and foraging. And today I'll be doing pizza with the wonderful.
Hi, my name is Violet.
Yep, that's who I'm doing the duo with. So we have the wonderful dough right in this bread maker. Go to the ingredients. Right, so we'll need some chopped tomatoes in a blender cup. We'll need some passata to throw it into the blender cup. We'll also need some basil. And we'll need some black olives to throw it on top. And then some onions if you like to throw in the sauce. And then for equipment then, we'll need a rolling pin. We'll need a blender. Oh, and those are the other ingredients. So I'll need some pizza semolina. I'll need some cheese, more basil, and then I'll need some mozzarella cheese, and I'll need some more mozzarella cheese, maybe some semolina sauces.
And we have onion.
Now we're going to add some passata to the sauce. Yep, that's enough. Right, and now some onions. Always also wash your hands after touching onion, otherwise it might sting your eyes and you might cry. What did it tell you? Passata goes there, and then we'll need some basil to throw in the sauce as well. And then we're gonna put the blending on top. Let's put the blending cup onto the blender. Ooh, right. We made it! Now that we've done the tomato sauce, which is perfecto, we need to prepare our surface for rolling time. Right. Move everything. Yeah, now that's enough.
Yeah.
Semolina time.
Let's put it.
Now we've got our dough, we've got our tomato sauce, and we've prepared the surface. Now we're going to roll it and knead it. Roll it, and roll your sleeves up. We need to make it like a wrap. Now that we've rolled it and we've spread it out, we've just put it into our baking tray, and now we need to decorate it. Now I'm just going to put the dough into the oven for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's do this. Oops. Now that was close. That was a close tracks.
Now we have took it out of the oven. Now we're going to add the sauce and spread it with the spoon.
To the dough while my dad's cutting the pitted olives.
And we're also going to add the other ingredients too after we've put the sauce.
Here's your olives, guys.
Thank you.
Add one in that corner and then we can start putting the cheese.
Oh!
Let me add these on after you've done it.
It just came out as a blob. It should be. Oh my god.
Together? Oh. It was. You say something.
Now we're adding the ingredients. So we've got cheese, black olives, and pepperoni slices.
Pitted black olives.
So we're adding on plain pizza. Now we've got all of it on. Now we have put all of the ingredients on. Now we're going to put it in the oven for like 8 or 7 minutes.
7 to 8 minutes.
7 to 8 minutes. Now we have put it in the oven. Now we're going to let it go in the oven. Now for 8 or 2, 7 minutes.
Now it's time to tidy up, as every good chef does. pizza is ready, so dig in and eat. So we are going to put a movie on with our pizza and happy Friday.
I think all are going to
Bye.